Hello everyone, good day. It's me, Louis Corpus. Today we are going for a walk again. So, my creative striking Baguio hoodie. Full sublimated hoodie. Let's go. We're not gonna use the car, we're gonna walk. Let's go. So, hello everyone, we are going there in Baguio City Hall. So, join me in walking. So, I'm on my way to Baguio City Hall. We're gonna visit the office of one of the most well-loved public servants by the people of Baguio, Baguio City Councilor Vladimir Cayabas. So, let's go. Let's go visit his office. That's Hall of Justice and their City Hall. It's already Baguio City Hall. Okay, we are already here. Look at this plant. Just grew out of the rock. So we are already here, Baguio City Hall. Look at the nice plants. So let's just walk around, check out the plants. Going up. You can read newspapers here.